Hey everybody! Here is a simple way to make a gift for someone, for Secret Santa, or for a teacher, or for a friend when you're not really spending a ton of money, but you don't want to just give them a candy bar. We're going to make a candy bar wrapper that looks like a reindeer, but you can easily make it look like a snowman or, whatever else you enjoy. You can make it look like Iron Man. I don't know. Whatever brings you joy, as I said. So, you're going to make first the cover for your wrapper. In this instance, I'm using a dark brown. The color in this video is a little weird, but my colors that I'm using are dark brown, a lighter brown or tan, and then red for the nose, because it's Rudolph, of course. So measure your chocolate bar, or just kind of mark how long it is and trim it the way I'm doing, and cut it. Then you're going to wrap it around like you're making a second sleeve for it. If you use a Hershey bar or something like that, you don't really need to cover it this way, but I was going to be the one that was stuck with this candy bar when it was all said and done, and I like a Kit Kat, so I bought Kit Kat. Also, it's a nice way, I told myself, this is how I justify things, it's a nice way for me to show you can use any candy bar. It helps if it is a rectangle or a square, but you can make it work with a Starburst packet. It just means that you change the size of some of the things that you're working with. So you're going to need to grab some tape after you've trimmed it to the size you want. I tape it onto the candy bar itself because if you don't, it kind of wants to slide off, and no one wants that. So tape it closed. Now in this video, I used hot glue. In hindsight, that was not the best choice I could have made. Any kind of craft glue, E6000, tacky glue, glue dots even would have worked better, because heat and chocolate, if you didn't know, don't exactly mix all that well. So I did melt the chocolate just a little bit, not terribly, but just a little bit underneath the wrapper. The chocolate got a little gooey. By the time you give these out, that will not be the case. They will have set again. But if you want to avoid that, just go for a non-heated glue. And then I used googly eyes. You don't need to use googly eyes if you don't want to. And if you do use googly eyes, you're going to need to use a different glue. A glue dot, like I said before, or E6000. These were very slippery, and when I was done with this video, I kind of nudged one with my finger and it popped right off. And the glue had completely dried and it was set, and there's no reason to, waste your time with hot glue if it's not going to stay on there. But of course, because this was me, I'm going to reuse those googly eyes for something else, so I didn't need it to be on there permanently. You will want that so that if you're giving out like 10 of these or however many you're giving out, and you put them all in a bag to hand them out when you get to school or when you get to church or wherever you're going, you want to make sure that you are not carrying around a bag of eyeless reindeer. That wouldn't be, that could be a dark gift, but we're kind of going for jolly and not like Edward Scissorhands, kind of Tim Burton vibes. So use a different glue. Skip the hot glue. Seriously, a tube of E6000, everybody. Worth its weight in gold for crafting. You might need someone to help you buy it. I don't know if it's restricted. But your whole family will use the E6000. E6000 in my house, it's like the most used product we have because it fixes anything. I used it to fix a shelf here at the library. E6000. It's not an ad, not sponsored, but if they want to sponsor me, I will sell out as fast as possible. So, draw yourself some antlers. I just looked up antler clip art and just copied some, because when I tried to freehand it, it was not great. You can also get like a reindeer clip art, blow it up, cut out the antler, and use it as a pattern. So antlers are on there. We will now stick on the eyes. I tried to see If the back would peel, it won't. That's fine. It would have made my life easier, but whatever, it's okay. So glue those guys on there. Melt your chocolate. It's fine. Not pictured there was me burning myself hideously on the second eye. That's why I'm gluing directly on the wrapper that time. Don't use hot glue. Skip the hot glue. Anyway, he has googly eyes. He's cute. Never mind that first-degree burn I sustained. If you have a pom-pom, use a pom-pom. But I wanted Rudolph, so I used red, and I used my circle punch, which is broken. So then I cut out the circle, and there we go. He has a nose. If you had glitter paper for this, that would be amazing. I did not. But think about a glittery red nose. Wouldn't that be amazing? Oh, he'd be so cute. And you're done that easily.